Thank you. Well, you guessed it. I'm at the Las Vegas Harley Davidson dealership, and it has to be one of your places you need to go. To give them more money for bad service? No. Because right over here is the famous Las Vegas sign where people come in. So there's drive carefully. On the other side, you have the welcome to, what is it, glamorous Las Vegas, whatever it is, that famous sign. Get your picture. Got to get that picture in there, man. Because if there ain't no pictures, you were never here. I will say this about Harley Davidson, that when you get your Harley Davidson, everybody who rides, you get it stock. And unless you get a defective bike, most bikes all are created equal. And it's what you do with it. Some people want power, they change out the cams, they put pipes, bigger air filters, they up it. Other people want to beautify it, they put lights on it. It's like a blank canvas. And with that blank canvas, of course it takes money, but you build the bike that matches your personality. For me, it's long distance riding. It's about being comfortable and having the tools to be able to do extreme long distance endurance rides without having to pussy out at the end of it, you know, like, oh, I can't make it. You know, you want to make it. So you want to do your 1,000 miles, 24 hours. You want to do 1,500 miles in 24 hours. You want to go from the bottom of the world to the top. You have to customize your bike to make it. So whether you do it with Harley parts or aftermarket parts, you can make your Harley Davidson personal. It's a blank canvas. What are you going to do? Get up and ride. Why aren't you riding already? So, okay, tell me your names and where you guys from?
Lars Winter from Finland.
And Jukka from Finland.
So what made you come to the Hoover Dam? I mean, all the places in the United States.
Route 66. We are doing that.
Well, let's start this.
Yeah.
What city did you enter the United States?
New York.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there you rented motorcycles?
Yes, from Staten Island. Eagle Riders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where did your ride begin? And tell me your whole trip.
It's gonna be a long one. Long story.
We started from New York, then to Niagara Falls, one day in Canada, then to Detroit, from Detroit to Chicago, and from Chicago, Route 66.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, we started August 28th.
Nice.
So we've been traveling more than 2 weeks now.
Yeah, more or less, yeah.
Yeah.
But what made you come here?
You made this.
Why come here? It's hot, it's rocks.
You mean Hoover Dam?
Yeah, it looks like the moon.
Yeah, we're gonna spend 2 nights in Las Vegas. That's why.
I see.
Yeah, you know.
I don't
Jumalauta meno päälle.
I don't know. That's Finnish.
Some Finnish.
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's party time.
Yeah.
So, give a shout out to all the Finns in Florida.
In Finnish?
Yeah.
There's a lot, actually.
Lots of Finns in.
I see.
Yeah.
I noticed that whoever had the flag, I'm like, I know that flag.
Yeah.
Is from Europe.
Yeah.
I'm playing.
Hei, tervetuloa Peter Pan Bikein moottoripyörän matkoille. Me järjestetään näitä ympäri maailmaa. Nyt ollaan täällä Hooverin padolla menossa Las Vegasiin. Ollaan tehty noin 5000 kilometriä matkaa jo New Yorkista ja vielä yhden välipäivän jälkeen meillä on vielä 2 päivää ajettavana. Ensin mennään tonne kuolemanlaakso läpi Barstowhin ja sitten Barstowsta Los Angelesiin ja sitten sinivalkoisen siivin we fly back home.
Fucking A. Fucking A.
Be safe, man.
Airport, heading back to Fort Lauderdale. It was a great, I wish I had more time. So much to see, had to take care of some business. And then the last day I got to going out and about and recording places that bikers should go to. But it's the end of a trip. We'll be back again. What a great time. I'm gonna sleep on a plane. I'll be getting to work at 9:30 in the morning. So I go from there home, take a shower, throw a clean shirt on, drag a comb across my head like the song says, and then I'm going to my office. Got a lot of work to do, a lot of clients to defend, and I like to win. I don't know about you, but I like to win. If you need an attorney, family or friend needs an attorney, tell them, get Gabe, the attorney that rides.